Look at once again. Come to this position for the Parivartita Parsvakonasana. Keep your one leg forward. First make 90 degree. Okay, and then keep your, like if you are keeping right leg forward, right hand on the thighs, inhale and expand your chest. With the exhalation, twist. Lock your left hand, right leg forward, left hand lock. Okay, and then expand your chest, take your chest out. Then slowly slide and elbow lock properly. Okay, and then little bit go back, knees, and then this hand try to insert by pushing your hips back, and then keep your hand inside. Okay, and then upper hand from the back side roll and then grip. Okay, those who are not able to grip, they can use the belt, and then this shoulder expand and roll it back and properly grip. Toes inside and slowly lift up the knees up. Expand your chest and look up. Gently and kindly just hold it here for the 10 seconds. Okay? Slowly come back in the same.